application passed on civil application 920 of 2022 in LPA 17239 of 2022, whereby the delay of 38 days in filing the appeal has been condoned. Paragraph. Today, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner has circulated a sick note. Hence, released this matter on 18/7.
Symbol 4, MCA 288 of 22.
Yes, Shakil Qureshi.
My lord, we are ready to withdraw. The only difficulty is, my lord, the presiding officer informs me that the subsequent order of which contempt is alleged, my lord, that order has also been stayed by this court and said no
Now
further
that is why
proceedings.
they are in deeper trouble.
No, my lord, the difficulty is this, that this honorable court has stayed further proceeding. We will be committing a second contempt
You
if
go
we
do
withdraw.
whatever you want. You seek the leave of the court in view of this.
Very well. We'll get this matter notified, seek leave of the court and get it.
We'll give 1 week time. Otherwise, we are going to frame charge here.
We'll do the needful. We'll do it.
At request of learned GP, release this matter on 27/6.
Deeply only. Symbol 5, MCA 424 of 22.
Vaibhav Vyas,
I may be permitted to testify.
file it in the registry. Learned GP seeks the leave of the court to file the affidavit. Reply. Permitted to file the same in the registry. Released next week.
Symbol
If my
6.
officers are present, I'll give the present.
But it was kept today for the limited purpose that there was a gross difference between.
Contemners are present. Mr. Senior Counsel, last time also we told the advocates, this on both sides
Yes, yes. I understand.
should stop.
Lord, this window is not for that purpose. I understand that. But at the same time, they were kept present for a purpose. That's what I'm trying to point out.
They will appear next date also.
Yes, yes.
They shall appear on the next date of hearing also.
Please.
Released on
My lord,
today is 17th, 24th,
24th would be fine.
24th.
I'll be here.
24. My lord, may I request that their presence be for the present expended? I have explained everything. If
We will see next.
Please. Symbol 6, special civil application 10540 of 22.
Yes, Sukwani. My lord, the petitioner is blacklisted without issuing any notice or without hearing, my lord. He has been straight away blacklisted on the ground that in 2019, there were 5 works awarded to the petitioner, out of which we completed, my lord, where there was no issue. 2 work we could not be completed because there was an issue. We requested them, sir, kindly resolve this issue of diverting the water or give me the extra item that was not resolved, my lord. See the impugned order. Yes, my lord. Page 81. Huh? Page 81. Where is the translated copy? Translated is 81, my lord. No, sir. Lordship, I'm sorry, 82. 82. 81 is the vernacular. 82, my lord. Court must get Mr. Asim Pandey. Mm-hmm. 106. 106. Yes. Now, my lord, 18th April 2022 is the impeach order. Come to page 82. Yes, sir. This circular resolution hereby passed. Next, you come in the middle portion after the date 39/2019 by hereof. About 2.5 years have been passed to it, even though. One second. Mr. Asim Pandya.
Yes, please.
These, in many matters and in many courts, we notice that the advocates file it in the court. It is not in good taste. This is not, I was told by
They
brother,
file what
affidavits,
during the court proceeding?
pleadings,
Yes.
reply, counter,
Right.
everything, objections.
Right.
So this is not, see, one is, the judges will not be able to read it.
I understand.
So until and unless it is something which has cropped up from yesterday to today, something.
Usually it has to be filed in
No,
registry
I
itself.
was told this was not there earlier.
No,
Here
so
also.
it has been consistently, we used to pass.
No,
this kind of-
earlier it was not there. Of late, this has
No,
started.
no. Since I joined the
this-
profession, there was a system that if affidavit is filed, it is always presented during the hearing. It was never used to be filed in the registry, but it's an ideal position that
That's
it,
right.
it ought to be filed in registry, but in a given case, at the last moment, if something has happened.
Suppose
it can be-
yesterday afternoon, they come and give it.
Yes, sir,
So in such circumstances, we have not said no.
right.
So, or some document which has come into custody today morning, it might have, they might have passed order yesterday, and today it might come. So it would not be in good taste to take
So
it.
it is left to the discretion of individual judge, because some judges say that you file it in registry. Some judges do
No,
accept
that is,
it
no,
across
that
the.
is why on the administrative, that is why we requested you to come. I was just telling the court officer to get you,
Yes, sir.
so that we want to take a conscious decision that anything should be filed, it should be filed in the
It should
registry.
be ideally in the registry. In a given case, exceptional case, the discretion should be of a judge.
That will be always there.
But usually, I think out of all judges, I think 30 to 40% are insisting that let it be filed in registry. But some
So
of them
we'll
are used
issue-
to this old practice which has
We
prevailed
will
all
issue a
this year.
circular
Yeah.
that it shall be filed in the registry until and unless
There are
any
exceptional cases.
urgency.
Urgency, it may be left
And
to
it-
the discretion of a judge.
Yes.
But it would take little time, because all of us are so used to with this kind of practice. So it will take time, but we will definitely, there is nothing objectionable about it.
Have not been started by the agency. In respect of starting e-works, the telephonic oral written instructions being given to the agency, even though the works being not started and the final notice has been issued. That you read it from the
Yes.
final notice has been issued to the agency.
To the agency.
Why do you say violation of principles of natural justice?
Now kindly see 15th March 2022 final, so-called final notice has not been served. One, kindly see page 106, what that it is.
Read further.
Yes, I'll read, sir. No satisfactory explanation has been given by the agency to the municipality, therefore, as resolved by resolution number so and so, meeting dated so and so, if the said remaining works are not completed by the agency up to 31st March 2022, it has been resolved to initiate the proceeding for making the agency blacklisting. Thus, the works of granting the avail by the municipality being not completed by the starting within the time limit by the agency of this work, the municipality has suffered the financial loss and the works of the public interest are stagnant. The said works being held the prospective by taking into consideration the larger interest of the public and the financial and the administrative interest of the municipality, it is hereby resolved to blacklist the said Parishram Construction Bhavnagar. It is also resolved that now thereafter no work of the municipality should be allotted to this agency, and the recommendation.
Where is that final notice dated?
Yes,
15th,
kindly see 106, my lord. Yesterday I have been served with the affidavit in reply. This notice is
We
annexed.
don't have any 106 here.
That was the
My
reason.
lord, I have got a reply, but I did not enter because the lordship was discussing with Mr.
It is equally applicable to you also.
Therefore, I did not enter. I'll file registry today, my lord. Lordship will be met on Monday.
Whether your final notice
I
of
have
it,
next, I have next month.
whether your final notice dated 15/3/2022 says confiscation of the deposit,
Within minute. Final notice says, my lord. My lord, it was in he will. Not, I read my lord's translation. The final, you called upon to